What if I told you it was all meant to be? Would you believe me? Would you agree? So tell me that you don't think I'm crazy when I tell you love is still here and now. A moment like this, some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people search forever for the one special kiss. I can't believe it's happening to me. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. To think that I could not go on. Life was nothing but an awful song. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread our wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. See we're running through an open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Don't know the road to embrace my faith. It might take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through, and I won't look back. I can go the distance. I don't care how far. I can go the distance till I find my heroes welcome This is the moment, tell the odds. We say I'll never, I'll sing forever when I look back. I will always be wrong, moment for moment. This was the moment, the greatest
Cats, let's give it up for our elite circle of winners for Just Do It.
Grabe yun.
Woo!
Lahat ng baligo ko sa katawan tumayo. Ang gagaling.
Eh, syempre, elite na yung mga yan eh. Kaya ito na mga Dabber Cats, mas pinatindi at mas pinainit ang nag-iisang split screen kantahan sa telebisyon, ang
Just Do It semi-final round.
Yee!
Ito na ang simula ng labanan ng mga best of the best pagdating sa kantahan.
Mula sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, andito na po sila, ang ating elite circle of winners. Isa-isa natin.
Tawagin na natin ulit. Mula sa Navotas City, si Carl Zarate.
Mula naman Bacolod City, Rosel Solpillo.
From Taguig City, Micah Leona.
Charlene Hernandez from Muntinlupa.
Sherilyn Esparago mula sa Caloocan City.
Pambato naman ng San Ildefonso, Bulacan, Louie Ann Culala.
All the way from Negros Occidental, Lian Layumas.
Galing din ng San Rafael, Bulacan, Joy Alpuerto.
Kasali din si Alisa Bonaura mula sa Paco, Manila.
Andyan din si Jamaica Duron from Tatalon, Quezon City.
Mula sa GMA Cavite, Denise Taño.
And Maki Cao from Los Baños, Laguna.
Galing ng Dagupan City, Pangasinan, Ruther Robosa.
Aba, marami talagang taga-Bulacan dito. From May Kawayan this time, Donna Medina.
From Tondo, Manila, Zildjian Galinato.
From Davao City, lovely Rose Embuscado.
Rachel Ann Clemente from Navota City.
At ito na, last but definitely not the least, from Bukawe, Bulacan, Daniel Briones.
18 sila lahat
Okay.
na maglalaban-laban.
Alam mo, Pauline, ito na yata yung semifinals na, ito yung pinakamagaling na nakita kong semifinal round ng kahit na anong contest.
Hindi nga, nakakatawa yung semifinals, parang finals na.
Mahusay, mahusay. Pero ito ito mas exciting. Dahil semifinal round, ito na yung sinasabi naming twist kanina. Okay, nakikita niyo itong bagong appliance namin?
Do you see this?
Yan.
Andito ang mga pangalan ng lahat ng ating mga finalists.
Yung mga
Isa-isang
CD, sealed po yan. Hindi namin alam at hindi alam nung sino man dito sa studio kung sino ang kakanta.
Kung sino ang nasa loob. Ngayon, alamin na natin kung sino sa ating Elite Circle of Winners ang unang maghaharap today.
Ayun. So, bubulot tayo ng 2 CD
Okay?
at kung sino yung laman ng CD na picture at pangalan, step forward lang. Yung 2 yon ang maglalaban.
So, ulitin natin hindi
Okay.
siya parang nung daily na isang finalist tapos isang professional